Good morning, ladies and gents. Today we're going to be talking about Chapter 3, getting started with that in Section 3.1, which deals with checking accounts. Here's the vocab you need to know. Hopefully, most of you have some sort of a checking account established or have been around people that do have a checking account. You kind of know a little bit about what this stuff is. If you've never been to a bank before, this is what a deposit slip looks like. We've got the name, the date, your account number that you're going to be putting it into, whether it's your checking account, savings account, the amount of cash you're putting in, some different checks, items, and then they come up with a total. And then if you want to take money with you out of this money that you're putting in, that's your less cash received. And then they give you a total. This total down here at the bottom is how much you deposit. So in a business sense, here's an example of what a problem could look like. They will tell you certain amount of bills that you're putting in this case 14 $20 bills, 10 $10 bills, 6 $5 bills, 21 quarters, 10 dimes, checks, two different check values, and then you get one $100 bill back and five $20 bills back. So I want to know what's your final deposit. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out how much cash we've put in or we're going to put in. So we've got 14 $20 bills. So we take 14 times 20. We're going to add in the 10 times the $10 bills, and then we're going to add in the 6 times the $5 bills, and that gives us a total of $410 in cash. And in cash, we then have 21 quarters. So we're going to take 21 times 0.25, then add in 10 times 0.10. That gives us a value of $625. And then our checks are $586.14 and $286.13. We add those together, we get a value of $872.27, so $872.27. We add all this together for our subtotal. We get $1288.52. Okay, so that's how much our subtotal is. We're going to receive one $100 bill and 5 20s, which gives us, we're going to receive $200. So if we want to know how much we put in, we subtract out that 200, so we get $1,088.52. That is how much money we have put into our deposit, and that's how much we have put it into our our checking account. Okay, so that's our first type of an example. Our second type of example deals with the check register. Here's an example of what a check register looks like. You got the, this would be the number of code or check amount that you're writing, the date, description of it. This uses payment and deposits in this picture. Your book will use debits is a payment, credits is a deposit, and then here's your balance, your previous balance, and then you keep that running down through the entire thing. All right, so for this second example, we have a previous balance of 1,052.30, and our credits include 400 and 526.14 and 526.14. We know that with credits we're going to add those in, so we add both of those into our total and we get an answer of $1,978.44. And then we are going to, since these debits are all subtractions, I've added these together to get an answer of 236.10. That is 25.14 plus 49.63 plus 161.33. We subtract those all out, and our final answer is $1,742.80. and 34 cents. Okay, so with our check register, we start with our previous balance, add in our credits, subtract out the debits, and we get our new balance. Good luck with this section. If you have questions, let me know.